It's a whole new world out there. I've watched the growth. So I was the town manager in a southeastern community. Then I went to work for Central Arizona Association of Governments to do planning for transportation in Gila and Pinal County. So I felt that I had a good background to serve on the Transportation Advisory Committee. There are projects submitted from all over the county, and then we go through and evaluate each project on how it will impact the county and what will be the best projects, and then we vote on them and submit that information to the Board of Supervisors who make the final decision. Everybody is dedicated to going in and doing a good job, looking at all the projects and doing the ones that are most in need. They're a very conscientious group. I've been on there and I've seen a lot of committee members that were on there, and I have never seen one that wasn't totally dedicated to what we were doing. We are looking at a project in 25-26 that will be maintenance preservation on Kings Ranch Road out in Gold Canyon. It'll go all the way from US 60 all the way down to Alameda. And it is really needed. That pavement is getting to be in very, very bad shape, and it will be unsafe if we don't do something right away. And the second project at Peralta Trail, and it will take Peralta Road preservation from US 60 all the way down to the elementary school. Gold Canyon is a relatively new community, so we haven't had a lot of need for pavement preservation. Now we do. We've done several projects that were for dust control, and those impact people in a huge way as far as their health goes and safety, and also it provides that we continue to get federal highway user dollars here. So it won't increase anything, but it provides for all these local projects that wouldn't be funded any other way. It provides the last few years $10 to $15 million each year, and be sure that these projects are done, and this takes care of that. It covers so much in Pinal County. It also helps with industrial development, manufacturing jobs, because those areas need to have good roads to them so workers can get into them. It's just vital that we keep up our roads. If we lose the pavement on a road, that means we go back to a dirt road, and we certainly don't want to go back. We want to keep our roads preserved and up to date as much as we possibly can, and this has been vital. You can go on the Pinal County website and put in a project. Anybody can put in a project. Then the county engineers go out and look at it, and they evaluate the project, and then they put together the project to submit to the Transportation Advisory Committee. We have a wonderful staff down at Pinal County. They do a marvelous job. They give us all the information we need to make a wise choice, and then they answer our questions. It's been my pleasure to serve with all these people and to serve the people of Pinal County and the Board of Supervisors, and it's a pleasure to work with everyone at Pinal County. It's a very dedicated group.